Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh fiddlesticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
Yellow. Brown. Orange. Let's add more feathers to our cock. Now we are going to use the butterfly stamp. Just open it and color it with the colors you love. Now we are ready to use the stamp. Just press it in your paper. Our butterfly stamp is giving more butterfly for us. Next we are going to use this flower stamp. Color it with your likings. Flower with the red color and the leaves the green color. Now we are getting more flowers from our stamp.